we are again. It's November 11th of 2011 today. It's 11/11/11. Right after I was finished watching a soccer match between Bosnia and Portugal, I got in my truck and I came here to the same spot. Last night I didn't see anything in close, but as soon as I got in my truck I saw about a dozen deer in a field across. Bucks were chasing those and it was an action all over the place. So it's just a matter of time before all that action storms through here and we have something to shoot at. It's about 50 degrees south wind, about 9 miles an hour, and it's a 4:20 right now. So we have about a good hour of hunting. We'll see what happens. I just shot a buck. I just shot a buck at 35 yards. I just shot him, man. That was so fast. I heard him crash down, I think, just 20 yards up the hill. Holy shit. That was the quickest hunt. I think he fell on his ass, man. He's not a big buck, but he's a buck. Wow. Oh my God, what an amazing hunt. We're here, Iowa public lands. I know it's not the biggest deer. I know it's small, but it's been rough. He came, I stopped him, took a shot, bam. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give him just a couple more minutes, but I heard him fall down. I heard him fall around his butt. I think he's about an 8-pointer. He has some kickers on the outer side, but I heard him crash up the hill. All right, folks, that's the spot. We shot him right here. This is scrape. I think he ran this way. Yep. Oh, there's Merrill. There's Merrill. Oh yeah. Fletching. Oh yes, baby. That went all the way through. That went all the way through. That buck should be dead. There's blood. He ran up here. Oh, there's more blood. Alright. That bad boy's dead. Oh, you can stick a fork in it. Look at all the blood. That bad boy's dead. Yeah. He just collapsed back. Oh, look at that shot, folks. Oh my God. He ran no more than 30 yards. Wow, that's a great shot. That one had no chance. No chance whatsoever. Alright, folks. This is a living proof. This is a living proof that patience pays off. I've been here all for the last 3 or 4 days. Haven't seen anything. It's been rough, and we finally got some south wind, which blew all the scent right into their bedding area. And then I saw, since this is a public land, you never know what you're going to encounter. I saw another hunter, 15 minutes ago, just walking on that ridge. I don't know what he was doing at this time of hour, because that was right around the sunset. And I was thinking for sure nothing's going to happen. I was thinking there's no way any deer's coming out. But then 10 minutes later, this guy comes up, and he was on a mission. He was coming up the creek, up the wind. I had barely time to turn my camcorder on, and I checked it. It's actually recorded a hit and him crashing, which I'm completely amazed, because I just turned it on. I didn't even aim because I didn't think that I had any time. This is a young deer, young buck, but it was getting late, and I didn't see. I couldn't judge. He has 2 broken points here. It looks like he's been fighting. But I made a dead-on shot. I mean, this is double long. This is perfection. Quickly turned the camcorder on, ranged the spot where I thought he was going to be. It was 35 yards. He came in. I just gave him a little bleat with my mouth. I just bleat. He stopped, looked at me. I took a shot, and I heard that noise when you hear that sound when like when you hit a watermelon, or you hit a water jug or something. You hear that floop, that hit, and I knew I hit him. I saw him run up this hill. I was like, oh man, it's gonna be a long night tracking. Well, lo and behold, he just stood there, and this is, I mean, it's probably 30 yards from where I shot him. He just stopped and collapsed, fall right on his back, and he was toast. Wow, this is my trusty bow. This is a PSE Predator 2. I got this bow in a 2007. So it's a little older, but I'm used to it. It's a very good bow. It shoots true. And this was the perfect shot at 35 yards. This is actually the farthest I've shot a deer. I am just so happy to be able to harvest a buck on a public land with some of my colleagues actually scouting just 10 minutes before that. Again, once again, this shows just patience, sit and wait. And sure, this is maybe 2.5-year-old, but I am not feeling very well, and I don't think I'll be able to be sitting on the same stand for a number of days now. So I'm very happy. All of my gear worked. My camcorder was on. I got lucky to actually capture it on camera. So I got to quickly throw a tag on him, dress him, and get the heck out of here.